Yes. Hello, it's you. Oh, you're early today. Okay, you can go outside to the terrace. I've prepared a little surprise for you, and I put something and I'm coming, okay? It's good. It's good in there. Little melon. And look, I take a little bottle of wine, like that. Oh, it's a very beautiful weather today. You have a good week? Yes? Me too. Oh. Up. For you. And for me. Oh, okay. So, I'm very happy to see you today. Okay, so, cheers. Oh, it's very good.
I am the Frito
Not like this.
Bandito.